suction cups make very nice jumping bugs. The insect is made of card sheet. Its legs are made of wire. On pressing, the suction cup sticks, but the wire legs try to spring up, and the bug jumps. There can be many variations. Plastic bottles can be cut to make the bug body. Bugs can take different forms and colors. But all of them jump. Half a plastic ball with a suction cup makes a fine jumpy bug. Finally, see a factory-made dragonfly. Its long legs give it extra power. Once it's pressed down, it springs 5 feet high.